Chris Martenson, why is the economic collapse of America inevitable?
Because, Josh, we've had like 5 decades of really stupid decision making. The Federal Reserve is up against the ropes. They have no way out. They are caught between a rock and a rock. Nothing they can do.
How are you personally preparing in your finances, in your personal portfolio for such a decision?
Ooh, I am preparing every possible way. So my belief is that this economic collapse is completely unavoidable. If this economic collapse comes, it's going to touch everything. So what do you need to do? I'm building up all these different forms of capital. Financial capital. Use it. Safeguard it. Make sure you have some dry powder. There's better prices coming. All of that. That's one thing. 2, this is going to be called a great wealth transfer. So if you have hard assets, you'll be on the right side of that wealth transfer line. If people don't know what that means, they should really look that up. 3, your physical bottom of Maslow's hierarchy of needs stuff, right? Shelter, warmth, food, safety, water. People really need to know where these things are coming from at this point in time. I mean, that's where we are in this story.
Yeah, right now I'm currently at your house right now, and you have a fantastic garden with chickens, you have pigs, you have a personal safe with a ton of different food and shelter to last you a very long time, and you're building a community around that. But we do know, of course, throughout time, a collapse is inevitable. But how do we know when it is imminent?
It's not just imminent, it's actually already arrived. So the collapse isn't like this thing that happens like a Jenga tower comes down all at once. This collapse is going to happen piece by piece. We're going to see the economy shed, whole branches are going to fall off, right? So what have we seen? Car makers can't make cars because we don't have chips. What do you mean we don't have chips? We're out of avocados too, speaking of chips, a different kind of chips, right? We have shortages of medicines right now. We have diesel, $6, $7 a gallon because we're out of refining capacity. Hold it. I haven't talked about the biggest shortage yet. 10 quarters in a row where world demand for oil has exceeded supply. Stockpiles of that are just plummeting. We have no plan B around this. Europe, busy self-immolating, right? They are just lighting themselves on fire. I don't know how they're going to make it through this winter. So given all of that, collapse to me means different pieces suddenly fall apart. But maybe you've seen it, right? Can you get baby food in this country? No, maybe not. You know, tampons, those are missing too, right? There's things missing. I invite anybody listening, when you're in the store, notice what's there, but most importantly, notice what's not there anymore.
Great. Thank you very much. If you are not currently subscribed to Peak Prosperity, you have absolutely no idea what you are doing, as Chris might be the most intelligent person ever.
Thanks, Josh. I appreciate that.
Thank you.